Bingo Cash Friend features depend on your account and the app loading the latest information. So when your friend list is not syncing, the first fixes are checking your connection, confirming the correct account, and updating Bingo Cash. By the end, you'll know how to refresh the friend list, verify your account, check for an app update, and what to do if the list still shows outdated information. Start by completely closing Bingo Cash and reopening it. Go back to the Friends section and check whether the list updates. This forces the app to reload information, instead of relying on the screen that was already open. If the list still has missing or outdated friends, switch your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try mobile data. If you're already using mobile data, try Wi-Fi. Then close and reopen Bingo Cash before checking the list again. Next, confirm that you're signed into the Bingo Cash account you normally use. Bingo Cash says, existing users can sign in by selecting Sign In, entering their registered phone number, and completing verification with the code they receive. Support bingocash.com. Support bingocash.com. HC and US articles. 4,428,319,197,969. How do I log into my account? Non-source ChatGPT. This check matters because a different account can show different account information, including social or friend-related data. After confirming your account, check for an available Bingo Cash update. On Android, open Google Play and search for Bingo Cash. On iPhone, open the App Store and search for Bingo Cash. If an update button appears, install it before testing the friend list again. Bingo Cash recommends keeping the app updated because updates can include improvements and new features. bingocash.com. https support bingocash.com. HC and US articles. 4,461,226,025,745. Why should I update the app? Source ChatGPT.com. After updating, restart Bingo Cash and check the friend list again. If only one friend is missing, verify that the friend is using the account you expect and that you're both using the current version of the app. Avoid uninstalling Bingo Cash immediately. If you eventually reinstall it, make sure your account is registered first. Bingo Cash says, registered accounts can be accessed again after reinstalling, while unregistered progress may not be recoverable. bingocash.com. https support Bingo Cash. Tor 400. If the friend list remains out of sync after restarting the app, changing networks, confirming your account, and updating Bingo Cash, contact Bingo Cash support. Before contacting support, take screenshots showing the missing or outdated friend list. Explain which friend is missing and whether the problem affects one friend or the entire list. The main fixes are simple. Refresh Bingo Cash, test another connection, confirm the correct account, update the app, and document the problem before contacting support. Your next step is to screenshot the friend list while it is out of sync, then send that information to Bingo Cash support if the problem continues. If this fixed the friend list syncing problem, like the video and subscribe for more Bingo Cash fixes.